Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this one's a hack for issues with your glasses keeping sliding down your nose. You know, these glasses, particularly these types of glasses that don't have that rubber, I guess, nose stopper or that prevent it from sliding down. They're notorious for sliding down your face, especially when your nose gets a little bit oily. And if you're working on something, it's really irritating. You bend your head down and it just starts sliding down. You're always constantly putting your finger up and bringing your glasses up. So I'm going to show you a really quick fix to do that. I did it with these glasses, and as you can tell, these glasses have kind of stretched out over time. I'm going to make sure that these come in a little bit so that they hug your face and that they don't slide down as much. So here we go. Okay, so what you'll need for this hack is some glue. I got Gorilla Glue, which you can get from Amazon or a hardware store. They come in a 3-pack from Amazon. Really quite handy. They're stronger than regular glue and not as strong as epoxy, so it's quite nice to work with. Handy to have in your tool bag. So here's the one that I've fixed in the past. So you can see, if you can look closely there, I put some glue right on the base there of where it just folds in, and then you'll see when you open up the glasses, you'll see, I don't know if you can see there, but you can see there's a little bit of a space because of that dried glue that's on that surface there. And so what happens is it just it brings in the glasses close enough to your face and your head that it just hugs your head a little bit better. Okay, and you'll see the one that I'm going to fix right now. You'll see these ones, they're bent out a little bit, and that'll just bring it just closer in. And that's just an easy way to tighten up your glasses to your face. All right, here we go. All right, so how I found that's easiest to work with this is just I would put a little bit of glue on this paper towel here, just enough like that. Okay, and then you'll take, I don't know, like I got this little screwdriver here. You just kind of pick it up a little bit there, and then I would just dabble it right on top there. All right, just enough to and just let it sit there and dry, and you'll see that it's just bringing it up just a little bit. I'll do it on the other side. Take a little bit of the glue again. Doing this with one hand, so here we go. And then just a little dab of glue on there. And then just I'll let it sit. And then after it hardens, it'll be done. There you go. All right, so after letting it dry overnight, just to make sure that the glue is all dried up, the other thing that you want to do is take one of these screwdrivers, these really micro screwdrivers, and then you want to tighten these screws here. Just really tighten so that they do kind of have a little bit of tension on the arm of the glasses. And last but not least, just make sure you clean it out. Clean out your glasses. There's a lot of like smudges in that, so get yourself one of those glass cleaners and just make sure you're regularly cleaning them out so your vision is nice and clear. That's it. Hope you found this useful. Thanks.